we can start. Z is equal to I raised to minus 39. Convert into form Z equal to A plus IB. Very simple. Z equal to 1 upon I raised to 39. Minus power, that means 1 upon 39. When denominator has odd power, then multiply and divided by I. Be careful about this one. Denominator has an odd power, then multiply and divided by I. Therefore Z is equal to I upon I raised to 40. Now therefore Z is equal to I square raised to 20. Now therefore I square equal to minus 1 raised to 20 equal to plus 1 equal to I. Therefore Z is equal to 0 plus 0I. Otherwise Z is equal to I. Okay, very easy and simple sum. Now next sum is number 9th. Z is equal to 1 by 3 plus 3I whole cube. Now let A plus B cube equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Expansion of A plus B whole cube equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square into B cube. Here let A equal to 1 by 3, B equal to 3A. Substitute here. A cube, A equal to 1 by 3. 3A square into B plus 3A. B square means 3I square plus B cube means 3I cube. 3 cube equal to 27 plus 3 1 upon 9. 3I 1 by 3 square equal to 1 upon 9. 3 cut. 3I square. 3I square, that means 9I square. 3I cube means 27I cube. 3 3s are 9 cut. 1 upon 27 plus I square equal to minus 1. And I cube means I square into I, but I square equal to minus 1. 1 upon 27 I minus 9. I square equal to minus 1, therefore minus 27. Okay, now 1 by 27 minus 9, I minus 27 equal to minus 26I. Now final is, now give simplification and get answer. Let here LCM 243, 27 9s are 9 7s are 63, 3 6 9 દુ 18 19 21 22 24. Yes, it is right. Upon 27 minus 27 26I. So final answer is equal to Z. 1 minus 243 means minus 242 upon 27 minus 26I. This is the final answer. Okay. Now same as example number 10. Z is equal to minus cube. Let minus outside. Cube means minus 1 raised to cube into 2 plus 1 by 3 I cube. Minus 1 cube equal to minus 2 plus 1 by 3 I cube. Now try yourself. This is very easy sum. By previous example, let's try yourself. This one is very, very simple sum. Okay, I will do one more extra sum. Like Z is equal to I square, I cube, I raised to 4, up to I raised to 100. Okay. convert into, this one is convert into a plus bi form. Looking hard but having easy sum. I means I square means minus 1, I cube means I square into I equal to minus I square square it is 1 upon into I raised to 5, I raised to 5 means I raised to 4 into I up to I raised to 100. Now therefore z is equal to I minus 1 minus I plus 1. I raised to 4 equal to 1. I raised to 4, I square into square, this is equal to 1. Now repeat it, I minus 1 minus I plus 1. Again I, फिर I raised to 5 is equal to I raised to 6 equal to minus 1 minus I plus 1 up to 100 terms. 100 terms. That means your terms are repeated after every 4 terms. Every 4 terms means I raised to 100. That means this is one bracket up to 25 brackets. 25 brackets. Is this clear? Every 4 terms after then terms are repeated. Every 4 terms. This is 100 terms. That means this is 25 brackets. Every 4 terms make a one bracket. Therefore, in minus I cut, plus 1 minus 1 cut. That means one bracket is cut up to 25 brackets. That means 0 plus 0 up to 25 times. Therefore, answer is equal to 0. Okay. I will give you 2 more sum to try yourself. Homework like z equal to I square, I cube, I raised to 4 up to I raised to 20. First one. Second, convert into a plus bi form. I square, I cube, I raised to 4 up to I raised to 2021. Try yourself. Both sums are very easy and simple. Okay, now number 11th. Find the multiplication inverse of the complex number 4 minus 3a. Very simple sum. Multiplication inverse, that means reciprocal. Z is equal to 4 minus 3i. Z raised to minus 1 equal to 1 upon 4 minus 3i. Okay? A basic rule of mathematics, denominator not be in form of a complex number. It should be converted. Therefore, let its conjugate surd. Its conjugate surd is 4 plus 3i. Conjugate surd in standard 10th. Let its opposite to multiply and divided. Z raised to minus 1 equal to multiply with 1. 4 plus 3i. A minus b, a plus b. Therefore 16 minus 9i square. Okay. But I square equal to minus 1. 4 plus 3i. I square equal to minus 1. Therefore 16 plus 9 equal to 25. Therefore 4 upon 25 plus 3 upon 25i. Very simple. Now let number 12. Multiplication inverse of this one. Very simple. Again z inverse equal to 1 upon root 5 plus 3i. Okay, let conjugate. Root 5 minus 3i upon root 5 minus 3i. Now therefore z multiplication inverse given, that means it is reciprocal. This is multiply with this. Root 5 minus 3i upon a plus b, a minus b. Root 5 square minus 9i square. Z raised to minus 1 equal to root 5 minus 3i. I square equal to minus 1, therefore plus 9 and 5. 5 plus 9 equal to 14. Root 5 upon 14 minus 3 upon 49. Okay, very simple sum. Very simple sum. Again, multiplication inverse of minus I. Okay, 1 upon minus I, multiply and divided by I. This is I and minus I square. I square equal to minus 1. So minus plus 1. I minus 1 equal to 0 plus 1I equal to I. Directly I. This is I. That means multiplication of inverse minus I equal to I, and I multiplication inverse of I is minus I. These both are reciprocal to each other. Reciprocal of I is minus I. Reciprocal of I is minus I, and minus I reciprocal is I. Very simple and easy sum. Next video we will be completed this exercise and start a new exercise. Okay, thank you, bye.